What's up, risk managers? My name is Nasdaq Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. And boy, is she one hell of a drug. And welcome to today's NA meeting, where we will discuss the economic data for the week, the day's technical analysis, the trading opportunities we took on today's stream, and build a game plan for tomorrow's price action. And if you haven't done so already, you can show your support by subscribing to the channel. And with that said, let's jump into the charts now. This is tomorrow's data. Be mindful that all times are in Central Time. And we have a small block of news scheduled for tomorrow, so let's jump into it. We have some crude news at 9:30. We have the 7-year note auction, and we have Fed Waller speaking at 5 o'clock. Now that we know what to expect, let's jump into the charts and create a game plan for tomorrow's price action. This is the block of price action that we traded on today's stream, and we caught over 150 points today. But unfortunately for me, they were unrealized. We had a strong move up in pre-market, the bulls trying to retest this high and failing, the bulls trying one more time to try to retest this high and completely failing, pushing price lower until the end of the session. Now, for those that was trading this, we all knew if the bulls failed here, all their stop losses was going to get ran, which propelled price lower. And because of this big move down, here's what I'm looking for going into tomorrow. I'm looking for the bears to come into this area of resistance to try to sell price back down. There's no way that we get this big move down without the bears allowing price to retrace, for them to come back in and try to sell price down for at least a double bottom or for a move down lower. Now, I do have some levels that I'm looking at if price does continue down. In last night's NA meeting, we spoke about 380 to 360. And if the bulls fail to defend this area, price is highly likely to continue downward. But the bulls have to prove themselves. They have to show the bears that they do want this, that this is just a pullback in a bullish market. They have to trade through these levels. They have to have a strong close above these levels, a retest, the bulls finding support for a push of higher. Currently, price is now in a downward trend, and the bulls have a lot of work ahead of them to reclaim the market. And with that said, let's jump into an ES chart. Now, this is an ES chart, and just like the NQ, price had a big move up in pre-market and traded in a range until bears took control and sold price down. And just like the NQ, if the bulls want to regain control of this market, price need to trade through these levels of resistance, a strong close above, a retest, the bulls finding support for that move up higher. Now, the market did not make trading easy today. We had choppy price action, and for the bears that held their position, congratulations, you deserve it, because this was not an easy short. You had to have been convicted in this position. And I don't doubt that the bears will try to continue selling price down going into tomorrow. But remember, this is just a game plan for tomorrow. I want to see the price action in pre-market, and that will determine my bias going into tomorrow's stream. Because we don't trade what we think, we trade what we see. Because the price action writes the story, the charts tell the story. And if you listen and trust in the setup, then you'll have a story. And here's my story. So today wasn't one of my best days. And this is another situation where I took unnecessary losses throughout the day. These losses right here could have been prevented, but I held on to my long. I wanted a retest of the highs. I thought we was going to get it, but the bears took control of the market and sold price down. And FOMO is the biggest factor in this. For me, I prefer to take a loss than to take my profits and have my targets hit. Taking profits and having price move to my target is more painful, so I would rather take the loss, knowing that I at least gave it my all. And that is something that I just have to work on. I have to work on recognizing when the momentum has shifted. But this is just a small setback. We're going to come back strong tomorrow. We're going to reclaim this money, and we're going to move forward. And with that said, that's all I have. If you're enjoying these breakdowns and want insight on trading the Nasdaq intraday, then subscribe to the channel and join our live stream where me and my trading partner provides intraday analysis in real time. Our current goal is building a community, and if you're tired of missing the best trades on the Nasdaq intraday, then join the live stream, join the Discord, Join the risk managers in the chat, and we appreciate your support as we grow. As we wrap up, remember the risk manager's creed. Trading involves risk and demands careful analysis and capital preservation. And we can do that by practicing sound risk management. Every trade tells a story. Make sure you write that story in your trading journal because our psychology is all over these charts. And as always, my name is Nasdaq Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. Stay green out there. Peace.